channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Today I have an affordable wig review. I've been very curious about this company online, so I wanted to scoop one up. And I got a wig from MelodySusie. And I scooped her up from Amazon. I'll put all of the information down below, but I'm pretty sure it was like $19.99 or less. Comes in this bag, and there is a wig cap that it does come with, so that's nice. This one is MelodySusie Dark Brown Long Free Cap. Oh, it says free wig cap dark brown. This is a full cap wig. You'll see how I got her together after all of this. She didn't take too much. It's more just messing with the bangs. You know how I feel about bangs. But I know a lot of you love bangs, and I was very curious. I got one more from this company too, so you'll see that coming up. This chick is long, almost too long. I feel like with these layers, she'd almost be better in this length for sure. She is, I wouldn't say she's a yucky texture. She's definitely more of a natural textured wig for those of you who have non-textured hair, and I think that you would like her. I did put a little dry shampoo in here. I do just feel like some of the layers are a little wonky, which I think if you went through and like sort of round brush them, yeah, it would be better. But just to note, that's why I also think that it would be better a little bit shorter. Overall, the wig cap is comfortable. It is big. It's definitely a bigger wig cap. I think it would be cute as like a ponytail wig or just like clipped like that. I think that would be cute. I always have to tuck my bangs. There is a lot of room to sort of move the bangs around. I'm not a bangs person, so I'm not super interested in doing all of that. I think I said that the wig cap was big. Overall, I'm not, you know, upset about this, especially for the price. I do think that she's going to need cut, whether you cut her to your liking right away or you cut her because of use. She's going to tangle just a little bit. I think she would really, yeah, she would really respond more to a round brush. I mean, this one isn't a round brush, but I think that would be the best. Let's look at her from the back. Density isn't too bad either. This is where I always feel like if something's going to look wiggy, it looks wiggy right in here. It's not super horrible. I do think you'd have to like, yeah, fluff it up a little bit. But I do think like a ponytail situation would be, yeah, so cute. I think I'm actually going to put her up in a ponytail while I'm finishing my final thoughts. For those of you who are looking for more of a natural textured wig and you have non-textured hair and you were on a budget, I think this would be a great wig. Is it going to be long lasting? No, but I think it would be nice for like just to get to start wearing wigs and getting comfortable with them. Something to have on hand just to throw quick, you know, throw on super quick. I don't think it looks terribly wiggy. I would probably, yeah, just pull some of these down, maybe cut a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these bangs over just because I'm not big on bangs. I love how bangs look. I just don't like bangs in my face. I can't have bangs in my face. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but you know, it is a cheaper synthetic wig and I'm over here raking over it. So, you know, partially it's like you have to chill because it's not, you know, it's not super strong. Oh yeah, I like it in the ponytail. It looks super cute. Let me just make sure. I'll pull it down a little bit so you can't see the wig cap. Gives it that messy ponytail. Yeah, I really like it this way. I think this is how I would wear it. This is how I am going to wear it today. So that is my review on this wig. If you have tried this wig or any other wig from this company, if there's another wig you would like me to review from this company, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.